What's up, creatives, and welcome to another Romeo show. In tonight's art therapy session, we are going to be drawing a very cool stipple art UFO geometric style drawing we are going to be doing today. Going on the science fiction route tonight, drawing a stipple art UFO design. So what are you waiting for, folks? Let's roll the intro. What's up, everybody? How is everyone doing? Hope you've had a good week and a good weekend. If you're new to the show, my name is Romeo. I am a sketch artist and life coach. I draw art therapy videos on a Tuesday and Wednesday, Mandela drawings on a Wednesday, and Zentangle art drawings on a Tuesday on this show. I'm also a life coach as well, helping you guys to focus on your careers, remove any past trauma, any type of emotional well-being, mental health. I'm setting up, I'm organising a workshop at the moment. If you're in the London area and you know Walthamstow, I'm setting up a little workshop in there starting from the 1st of June. If you want to get involved with that, if you want to book in, come down, chill out, socialise with other people as well. It's a great little workshop for you to focus, remove past trauma, help you to further your career in anything as well with Mandela art. If you want to be doing any of that, getting yourself involved, email me at romeo@romeosketches.co.uk. I'm also a sketch artist, drawing people's portraits for them to photorealism. So at the moment I am drawing Johnny Depp as Captain Jack Sparrow. Here it is what I'm up to so far. There we go. If I just bring that in a bit closer, you're about to see it. There we are up to him at the moment. Good old Captain Jack Sparrow. So that's what I'm doing at the moment. Lots of detail in that one with the hair and the dreadlocks and everything, and creating all of that texture in there with pencils, coming along really good. I've got a few little video clips of me drawing him. Either it's on my I have the photographs up on my Instagram, and I've on my TikTok I've got short little videos that I've created in the process of drawing Captain Jack Sparrow, savvy. And also I upload and create my own books as well. I've done the Mandela art book that I've been creating, the manifestation book, and my latest book that I'm doing. If you're into your social media and you like making social media content for your Instagram or for TikTok, I have a social media planner book for you right here. All you need to know, all you need to know is in this book here for when you want to be planning out any of your videos, any of your content that you are creating for any of your social medias. All that's in here as well is these all little boxes in here, and you write down your video ideas, the equipment you're going to need, the music, your setup. Once you've uploaded your video, write down how many views, how many likes you got, your comments and your shares in this book right here. Great way of keeping track of your follower count, your likes, what you're doing with your videos, any type of notes you want to make on how well your video did, written all the way out through the book, jotting down any of your ideas. Not just for that though, but if you're onto TikTok as well, you've got a special one at the back there with lots more boxes, but this time for your live. So when you go live on TikTok or on Instagram as well, you can do the same sort of thing as well. If you want to prepare yourself for doing any live shows on any of your social medias, write down your video idea, the setup, what you're going to say, and if you've got any tips on there as well. So if you've got like gifts, sometimes on TikTok people will give you gifts, you can add all that up. Same sort of on there as well. How many followers did you get? How many likes you got on that video? And then how much, if you're on TikTok or on Instagram, how much you made on that video. And you can keep track of all of that sort of stuff throughout the whole of this book. At the end, at the back of the book, I've also got some tips and tricks at the back as well. So you've got a nice little page there, so full of some tips of what can help you through your TikTok videos. Like the starting of it, your video, what you want to do is your hook, your content, and your call to action. How many times you want to be posting during the day, the best times, video lengths, that sort of thing. And then on the opposite side, we've got some helpful websites that you might want to check out if you're a little bit stuck on creating titles of what sort of content you want to be creating. You've got a whole list of websites there that you can use. Another website there for you to download your TikTok video without the watermark, so you've got that one on there, and a video editing app called CapCut. You can use that as well. That's on there as well. So you can pick this book up. Link is in the description below. You can pick it up from my website and from the Amazon store. Social Media Planner is a book that you're going to be needing to organize and to create your videos and to keep track of all your followers and likes, etc. Pick it up from the Amazon store. Moving on to today's video, like I said before, we are going to be creating this stipple art UFO pattern, UFO design, drawing. That is what we're going to be doing in a geometric style triangles, all in dot work apart from the solid lines in there. It's a little bit science fiction-y we're going to be going through today, but I thought we'd do something a little bit more different than the normal Zentangle patterns. It's still a great way to relax and to focus as well, because you're drawing all the little dots on this design. And it's a great way to be focusing as well. So what we are waiting for, folks, let's roll the video. Start with a 10 centimeter line and then a 12 centimeter one. Create your triangle. Very simple one this is. Centimeter gap, 8 centimeter line, find the center, 10 centimeter line straight down, create your triangle, and then just erase those lines out. Go over it with your black pen and start to draw your UFO. And how was that video for you guys? Hope you enjoyed that video, and give us a like if you enjoyed that video, and anything else you want me to see me drawing, give me a shout in the comments below what you thought of the video, what else you want to be seeing me draw, anything like that. Hit me up in the comments and I shall get back to you, and if it's maybe draw whatever you are asking me to draw. And that's the end of the show, folks. Thank you all again for watching, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, click that bell and turn on notifications so you know when I upload a new video. My name is Romeo, this is Romeo Sketches, signing off. Peace out.